All right, y'all, just want to start this video off by saying happy 4th of July to everyone. Hope you guys are having a fun, safe day. Keep all your fingers attached to your bodies. I know they say leave the fireworks to professionals, but you ain't got to be a professional. Just don't blow your damn hands off. Very excited to be bringing you guys these style of videos, doing the ride-alongs. This is something I've been wanting to do for a while. We've done an LS Nasty experience before where you come to the track and hang out, but nothing like this. We're going to be doing a giveaway sweepstakes experience starting this Friday the 7th, where every dollar you spend on lsnasty.com, whether it's on Nasty Racing Apparel, Small Tire Outlaws Apparel, Nasty Co Apparel, or anything on the website, will get you entered to win the sweepstakes. And what we're doing is, I've been kind of thinking about it and changing it up a little bit. We want people riding in Hank. We want them to experience the awesomeness that that drag racing provides and the thrill. You guys saw the video where we gave Ant a ride in the car. He's had some fast cars, but still it blew his mind. You're going to see today's video. We have our buddy Chandler, who has a 5-second street car, but this is like kind of one step up. So we're trying to offer a really unique, cool experience. What we're going to end up doing is the winner. It's going to be you and a friend, so you can pick whoever you want to be, your wife, your friend, your girlfriend, your dad, your mom. It doesn't matter. We're going to fly you guys down. I'm going to give you $1,000 cash just for coming down there. And then we're going to hang out at the track. We're going to do some fun stuff in between the racetrack and getting there. We'll get you fed, spend a couple days with us, and we're going to take you to the track, and you're going to both have the opportunity to ride in the car. If you don't want to ride in it, it's a little too much. We get it. You do the burnout, you want to get out. We get it. We don't blame you. It's pretty intense, but it's a very, very cool experience to run a, bottom 5, high 4-second pass, unlike anything else. We want to give a big shout out to Darlington Dragway for allowing the opportunity for us to do these ride-along experiences, and yeah, it's going to be absolutely awesome. I consider it like a once-in-a-lifetime deal, because most people go to the track all their life and don't get to experience what it's like to go that 120 60 foot, to go 140 miles an hour out the back. It is absolutely insane, breathtaking. It leaves some people speechless. So enjoy today's video. Very excited to be bringing you guys videos of this caliber, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button and enjoy.
Oh, my man's getting suited up.
Let's go. And he's only drove the 7 It's time. I gotta say something about my fucking muffin. Holley for Mason.
Right along number 2.
Yeah. Bring a peel your muffin cap back blue. Hop in there.
Right body, wrong motor.
There you go. Right body, wrong motor, he says.
Yeah. He wishes.
Should have taken you in the same boat. Mason, gonna come around here and make sure you tight.
Radio calls on it. Come on over the driver. Radio calls. Radio calls on it. Radio calls on it.
Get in there and put some
Radio calls on it. Come on. Radio's on it. Radio's on it. Radio.
Mason, gonna come around here and make sure you tight.
Radio calls on it. Come on under the driver. Radio calls. Radio calls on it. Make the radio calls on it.
Get in there and put some
radio calls on it. Come on.
How you feeling, sir?
I'm feeling ready to rock. Is that thing on?
Huh?
So is that thing on?
Oh yeah, they're on, baby.
The screen was on, so.
Put the helmet on then for the neck race.
Oh,
You live now. So what's the fastest you've been so far?
90.
590?
Get it with your glove on? Get it with your glove on?
I probably should have thought of that.
So you're somewhat used to racing.
What'd you say?
You're somewhat used to racing.
Yeah, I am, but
Not riding.
yeah, it's different. I'm used to racing just a little bit of a different caliber.
Alright, so go up there, do the burnout, back up, rev it a couple times. And you know how the tree works. So
Oh, yeah.
go in there, trans brake, on the chip, bump in, and then it's party time. It's got an air shifter, shifts at 7,200. It had a little hiccup before, right after the gear change, so I'm just gonna try to keep an ear out and see what
if it doesn't. All right, ready?
Yes, sir.
So a little bit of information on Chandler. He's got 1,000 horsepower, a little over 1,000 horsepower Coyote. He was driving it every day to school, overdrive car. He's now got him a pickup truck and the Coyote. This one launches a little bit different. I don't think he's got a trans brake on the Coyote, does he?
I don't think so.
But he's picking up 3/10 to the 60 just in this pass, so we'll see how it goes.
Forget to turn the boost controller on.
When are you going to do that?
After the burnout. I messed up. How embarrassing.
The one time you got to do it good.
I just wanted to do 2 burnouts with you. I'm not used to having one in here.
It sounds good. Absolutely.
All right, let's do this, baby.
That was great.
You know how it feels. Quick.
Yeah, that was a much more aggressive 60 foot than I've ever done.
A little bit different, huh?
A lot different.
You like it?
Heck yeah.
So from someone that's been like 590s.
Yeah, 580s, 590s. That was.
Thank you.
I didn't expect that much of a difference at all.
126, 530, and 135.
Jeez.
Like a bracket car.
Every time.
Every time. That's the tune-up we got in it.
Hey, man.
This is what you have to look forward to now.
Yeah. One day. Maybe I'll get to this point.
What do you have to say to the people? Like, for someone that's never been in a race car. So you've been in race cars.
I've been in
high performance street cars.
High performance street car, not like a race car, but That was way more of a jump than I expected it to be. I was not expecting it to, you know, I don't know, that just kind of hits you in the chest.
Right off the right off the button.
mean, yeah, off the two-step, that is, you feel it. You feel it the whole way. So
up top and everything kind of normal, right?
Yeah, it's not as bad once you get to like the 330 and on, but before that point, that it pulls. That's wild.
That's awesome. That's what we want. It's just like you just however much your mind can kind of anticipate what it's going to be like. It's not it.
It's not it. That's a different world.
Well, I'm glad now we drive it on back. There's your 530 time slip, dude. I've been ass on the light. 122 on the light. Jeez, John. I know, dude. How embarrassing.
I'm outdoing you.
Sorry.
Oh shit, my head.
Next time, I'm gonna let you can work the button, all right?
Oh god.
I tell you what, that breeze feels good though on a hot day.
I'm telling you, dude, his suit. People probably don't understand how hot these suits are.
I don't think people. That's the whole point of doing the giveaway experiences. You get to go from watching it to living in it. So you get the good, the bad, the ugly, the hot, the sweaty, the uncomfortable. You get to experience.
You get to everything, the package.
But that's what makes it fun.
Yeah, man. That was a blast.